Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how you can actually go and look time zone in Calendly. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to calendly.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now after that you just need to go and log into your profile, but guys, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to Calendly. But guys, now let's see how you can actually go and see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the create button, we have the schedule events, upgrade plan, and the admin center. Also in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and lock time zone in Calendly. It is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So guys, first of all, what you need to do is go and from your event type pages. So you need to find your event type page, then go select the event you would like to update. So basically when you can go to event types here and select the event. For instance, I have this event here that I can go and to update. Then expand the scheduling settings section. So you need to then go and expand the scheduling section. Then from additional options, select time zone display. And after you selected the time zone display, choose lock the time zone. After that, guys, you just need to go select save and close it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.